Hi friends, this is Pradeep Sinha from the 84 batch of MIT Manipal. I graduated in the mechanical stream of our college. It's 36 years since I came out. There is no place like Manipal. Manipal doesn't only teach you how to become an engineer. Manipal teaches you how to lead in a crowd. A lot of colleges may give you a paper degree, but what Manipal gives you is something else. It gives you confidence and the knowledge and the confidence how to stand tall even in a crowd of 1 million people. The dedication of the professors, down the line, everyone, right from your mess in charge, mess workers, who will ensure that you have your meal even though tomorrow there is an exam and you have missed your meal of today. They will ensure you are well fed. The quality of the library, the canteens, the cafeterias, the other facilities, and above all, the dedication of the professors will completely ensure you are a product of MIT Manipal. There is no place, no college in India which will be able to match up. Right from clearing my fundamentals of mathematics by a legendary professor there, up to my engineering drawing, which I had no clue of, and finally passing with distinction, and going on to become the head of a very large multinational in India, Marubeni Corporation, and later on starting my own company, Inditech, which is one of the top 5 companies in India in the field of textile machinery. Please go for Manipal. To all the parents, I can say, when you send your son or daughter or your ward to Manipal, rest assured the product that you will get will be world class. All of us will not become a Satya Nadella or Rajiv Suri or George Muthoot of Muthoot Finance, but we will be somebody. Whatever our field, wherever we work, our own company or another organization outside, I can assure you, your son or daughter or ward will stand tall amongst everybody. He cannot be suppressed. He will not be able to be dominated by anybody else. Manipal will make him a complete man. Go for Manipal.